Hey guys, we are back again with yet another video. Hi, this is Harish.
Hi guys, this is Shaunak. Please welcome to FTP, the Footy Podcast.
So, Shaunak, we are back again with after the tremendous reaction that we got from the first two videos.
Yeah, yeah. The combined views of 100, I guess.
I mean, it was more than we expected.
Exactly. औकात से ज्यादा मिला यार पहले वीडियो को ही.
But well, it's not a big deal. I mean, we are doing something we love, and people will come
Obviously.
eventually because we know there are a lot of football fans like us. मतलब जो एक
Yes, yes,
platform पे
definitely. I
आते हैं
think
जो
this
एक
is
ऐसा
this is what we
content
do.
yes
This is what we do all time, and this is our passion
like
we follow.
instead of chatting on group, we are now just here making videos.
Obviously. So guys, please follow us. This is Footy Podcast, and you can also give us the suggestions in the comment box.
Yes, and become a member of the group. Like
Yeah, you can also become a member, and
yeah,
eventually you can also end up in our little panel that we have.
yeah, just like a community. Like we will have our regulars. So let's just move on.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah, sure. So we'll just first start with the Champions League fixtures, the
yeah,
semi-final.
the big ones
So
now.
we'll do the the first match is Real Madrid versus Chelsea.
uh, truly in full sense European kings, Real Madrid and Chelsea, who have been like on rise since Abramovich came 17 years ago. And so I mean, Chelsea have done really well, like throughout these years. Even in off seasons, they win something. Like
Absolutely.
and with unusual circumstances, like when they won the Champions League first time, they like sacked the manager in between and the manager won them there, and the same thing is happening. Tuchel has come in just before few months after Frank Lampard
अरे
was
ये तो exactly वही रहा है, like what happened in
exactly yes
2012.
yes
They
the whole
sacked this guy, Andre Villas-Boas. Then later on, Robert Di Matteo came in
yeah
and they won the Champions League.
yeah, and they also won the FA Cup
This,
and they can win the FA Cup again, so it's like it's deja vu kind of thing
yeah,
for them.
exactly. This is deja vu. That's
Yeah,
what I'm saying.
yeah,
Matlab, Roman Abramovich and Florentino Perez. This is literally like cash rich semi-final.
both
What's
the semi-finals are like money.
cash rich?
Yeah.
It's all.
So, but this is how the game has gone now. Actually, like if you want to win big trophies, you have to spend money. It doesn't matter. Just like it doesn't just matter that you have rich owners. They should be ambitious owners. They should be able to put money. Like Arsenal, for one great example, the owner is so rich.
Yeah,
I mean, but he doesn't
Stan
really put.
throwing.
Yeah, but he doesn't really put money in. So we see where they
Exactly.
are right now. So
But
yeah,
this is also homecoming for Eden Hazard, Thibaut Courtois,
the prodigal sons of Chelsea and
Chelsea.
come back to haunt them
I
as
I I really want like Hazard to play tonight because he had suffered a lot of injuries this season.
yeah, I mean, what a
क्या
player he
player
was.
है यार
Yeah,
वो.
exactly. क्या players है.
Elegance,
I-
proper elegance, no
I
other
mean,
way.
मेरा favorite player था यार. क्या बोलते हैं? I think he and Courtois, sorry, Philip Coutinho were amazing, like in Premier League.
Philippe Coutinho, bro, you can ask me. मतलब, I'm a Liverpool fan, so you can ask me what it feels to lose Coutinho.
And you can ask me how it was when he played against us. It was a nightmare. मतलब बहुत ही classy player था यार. मतलब दोनों ही मतलब Hazard और Coutinho. But
Hazard has been a nightmare for every single team that has played in Premier League. मतलब, you can ask Liverpool fans like what he has done against us.
या
Superb.
हाँ, और स्पेनिश फ्लू की तरह स्पेनिश कर्स लग गया है मतलब दोनों ही मतलब प्लेयर्स में सच में हजार्ड यू सी
Exactly.
एंड इवन कुटिन्हो यू सी like top Premier League players, and then they went over there and they like you can call them flops really because I mean it doesn't matter like
Yeah,
injury or
literally
whatever, but
flops.
they have
मतलब, I won't call Hazard a flop because मतलब, he sustained a lot of injuries.
yeah,
ना
I
अभी.
mean that is all part and parcel of the game ना क्या बोलते हैं I mean yes with Hazard there is much more sympathy, but like for them he has been like a flop, but maybe this is his time to like revive or maybe just get
Yeah,
something like Bale, like he redeemed kind of himself in the final
yeah.
against Liverpool, so like maybe
Yeah,
this
this can
is
be.
his time to do it.
This is a resurgence time for Hazard. He should
Yeah,
be the
But do you think he
catalyst
will
in this.
play?
I want him to play. At least I want him to play.
I
वो
don't
चाहिए
I
यार,
don't
वो
know.
मैच में चाहिए.
Casillas was like amazing for Real against Liverpool. So maybe
ये Vinicius.
Vinicius, sorry, yeah. But
Vinicius यार on the left flank मतलब he destroyed Trent Arnold in
hmm,
quarter final.
but yeah, but Chelsea's defense is like going to be much more difficult
क्या
task.
लगता है?
Uh,
क्या लगता है? 3-4-3 या 4-4-3-3?
3-4-3, because they have been playing like that like for some time now.
3-4-3. I think they'll मतलब कीपर तो फिक्स है उनका Mendy.
True.
And I think he'll start with Thiago Silva. Azpilicueta तो confirm है.
Hmm.
Either Rudiger या
Zuma,
फिर
Zuma,
Zuma.
Zuma.
I'll go with Zuma.
Yeah, me too. Zuma. I mean, not only just because what he does in defense, but he has been like an amazing goal threat from set pieces for them. I think he
क्या
has like
खेलता है यार.
5 goals like from set pieces. He's a dominant figure. Like I think he's the best defender scoring goals right now in world football.
Zuma. Really?
Yeah. Yes. He has 4 to 5 goals in Premier League, and he just gets on the ball every time there is a set piece. I mean, he will definitely play.
बहुत
And
young भी है ना अभी.
हाँ,
He's also very young ना.
he had a very topsy turvy career ना, मतलब पूरा प्रीमियर लीग में आया, फिर मतलब he was like the one to burst out, but then उसके साथ फिर वो स्टोक वाला scene, then he had to go on loan और फिर किसी तरह वापस आया टीम में, he made his place.
Exactly.
But now with Thiago Silva's experience alongside him and his leadership, I mean, he looks a totally different player, like Stones for City, like
Oh,
defenders resurgence this season. Defenders season this season might probably end with a defender's goal. It was defender's goal for us last night. When was it? Last night, right? No,
last night.
last night. Yeah, Laporte.
Emerick Laporte. I
Yeah,
am Eric Laporte. I am Eric Laporte.
yes. So it might turn out be like a defender's header that gets the Champions League trophy to any other big four teams.
Can definitely.
Yeah.
So moving
And
on.
Reece
तीन लोग
James,
तो हो गए.
Reece James
Reece James on the right.
and Chilwell.
Chilwell. मतलब ये कोई question ही नहीं है.
He might be tempted to play Alonso, but abhi recently he has like been favoring Chilwell a lot, so I think he will go for Chilwell.
नहीं रे, Alonso won't play against Real Madrid because वो थोड़ा slow है यार as compared to Chilwell. Chilwell is a
And
little bit
also
faster. He also got quick
Hmm.
movements.
Or Chilwell is much better on the ball also.
Control. Superb. Crossing. Class.
Yeah. Bit prone, like vulnerable with defending, but I think with 3 at the back, he would be much secure.
3 at the back, yes. मतलब they can sustain. And बीच में दो तो एक तो N'Golo Kante चाहिए and other will be Jorginho.
Yeah. Jorginho, what is his name?
Jorginho.
मतलब
Italian है.
Jorginho, then he will play alongside Kante, then but पता है बहुत ही फिर वो होगा like I don't know, Chelsea keeps ball very well, but I think if Kovacic is not there na, then they won't be able to keep the ball as well as they can.
Kovacic तो बाहर है अभी, injured है.
So I think no, they will like how good Chelsea keeps the ball. I don't think they will be able to like against Real if Kovacic is not there, because he's a major part in doing so.
अरे वो मतलब उसका front and backward movement is super with the ball, like he used to do at Real also.
Exactly. So
3-4-3 and आगे के तीन I think central role should be Mason Mount. कोई doubt ही नहीं है bro. कोई doubt ही नहीं. Mason Mount.
No. I think Werner will also play.
Werner तो left से उसको भगाते हैं वो.
What do you think? Giroud, Pulisic?
अरे options है यार उनके पास.
काफी options, but I think Werner will play in mid and Pulisic will play on the left.
Left. Pulisic on the
because,
left and
they need someone to create havoc there. Like Pulisic is good at it.
Yeah.
He will
Creativity.
He will just try to like unsettle the Real.
Exactly. मुझे लगता है right पे ये खेल सकता है Havertz या फिर Ziyech.
But Mount आ गया ना, Mount, Werner and Pulisic.
Mount, Werner, Pulisic. Yeah. Mount center, Pulisic right, left.
नहीं, yeah.
ये इनके पास ऑप्शंस बहुत है यार.
पता नहीं है कैसे खेल, बट लेकिन आई
They
थिंक
can also.
माउंट तो खेलेगा, तो माउंट आई थिंक ही विल प्ले फ्रॉम राइट, Werner in the mid, and on that side he will play Pulisic. Yeah.
Pulisic, yeah, definitely. ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
हाँ, ऐसे ही होगा, I think most probably. And then they have like firepower from the bench, Ziyech and
ये क्या है, फिर उसके
Havertz,
बाद अपना ये भी है.
Giroud and Benzema.
Oh,
Ford versus Nick. Go-kart versus Ferrari.
Go-kart versus Ferrari. अरे क्या बोला था? जी. क्या लगता है? Benzema, Giroud.
Of course, Benzema, no doubt.
I'll go with Benzema, no doubt.
But Giroud, I can always count him to score goals from the bench also. But like, yeah, talent-wise, Benzema, no doubt.
We also forgot this guy, Tammy Abraham.
No, he won't feature.
नहीं, obviously he won't play, but Tammy भी है उनके पास.
Tammy might be going to another team after this season, I think. I mean, yeah, he can come, but I don't think he will even come as a sub. Even if they need a sub, I think they will call upon Giroud.
Giroud
I mean,
is
it's sad to see
impact.
like how Tammy Abraham, like, was just scoring goals, and then his is bit down.
Under Lampard, he was scoring goals.
है ना?
Under
हाँ,
Lampard.
पिछले season I think. Yeah, he was amazing.
Yeah, super खेल रहा था वो. When we won the
Even
season.
but this season even Lampard भी थोड़ा सा उसको नहीं trust किया इतना, I think.
अरे उन्होंने वर्नर को लिया ना इस सीजन. तो
Werner is another dilemma. I mean, if you look at stats, he has like, I think, most goals contribution.
अरे I went through a stat. He's Chelsea's top scorer this season.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's such a misleading stat.
या मैं अभी भी देख रहा था एक्चुअली स्टैट कि वो ये है उनका टॉप स्कोरर वगैरह ऐसा कुछ तो है समथिंग.
अरे वो है, but he plays all the games, and he like eventually he scores also. I mean, and we should not forget he used to score a lot of goals before coming to Chelsea. I mean, his confidence has taken a big hit, but he's a class player, man. I mean, I think
this season the top scorer is Tammy Abraham, 6 goals. Werner also 6 goals.
Wow, look at this. Top scorer 6 goals.
देखो. Semi-final खेल Champions League का.
I think Zuma has 5 goals.
Zuma 5.
But that is why Chelsea is so dangerous, like have scored goals, but like from different positions. So it's good to have like goals in all around the pitch.
Exactly, like they have a healthy competition in every sense if you take that.
Yeah. So let's just quickly do Real, and then we will move on to like SWAT. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely. We'll start with Real Madrid.
Papa Perez.
Papa Perez,
I think all the football world, other than Real supporters, would really want Real to lose, I think. But I don't want Real to lose. I want us to beat them in the finals, but I don't want Chelsea to go into the finals. But yeah, like
guys, us means he is a City fan, so he's talking about himself. Us. That's
so, but yeah, I think Real been there, done that several times throughout, and
experience भी matter करता है, bro. Experience है उनके पास.
बहुत matter करता है, and they have like three-dev of midfield there. I mean,
three-dev of midfield.
Yes, they have the best.
Cruz, bhai, Cruz.
Yes.
अलग level है.
Cruise control always, like, and if you need some push, then it's the Casemiro. And then
don't you think Cruz is one of the greatest midfielders of all time? That's my view. I personally think he's one of the greatest midfielders of all time. What do you think?
Wow. One of the greatest.
Yeah. One of the greatest midfielders of all time.
Maybe in top 20.
Top 10, I guess.
All time, top 20. Top 10.
Top 10, bro.
I think it will be hard. I think all time you are saying, man, top 10, it will be hard. Like, there's too many. Zidane, Iniesta, Xavi, and like the list is
Gerrard, Lampard, Scholes. बहुत है, I know बहुत.
So I think top 20. I think yes, definitely.
Definitely top 20. Yeah. You can say that. But don't you think that he is the silk of Real Madrid when it comes to passing? Like
But
almost every,
right now in world football, he's top five. There's no doubt.
undoubtedly top 5.
Yes.
There's not even a single debate about that.
This is amazing. So yeah, I mean, it's just the whole Madrid plays with cruise rhythm. Like if he wants to play fast, they play fast. If he wants to play slow, they play slow. So he controls the tempo. He just
He can also just skip 2 or 3 short passes, then just
hmm,
give a long ball to anyone
exactly.
that is in the front.
See, he just let's cruise. He's what is this? Yeah. So
Superb है यार.
it's amazing. So yeah, that midfield trio is set. I mean, Cruz was not playing for the last match, but I think he's
Yeah. No one is going to replace them right now.
yeah. And I think they will play with Militao and Varane. So they will play with a back four, unlike
Nacho,
Chelsea. Nacho on the left and Carvajal on the right.
Carvalho is back.
Yes, he's back again.
अरे
But
what
Carvajal
a left back.
बहुत ही अजीब सा player है. कभी अच्छा खेलता है, वैसे कभी बुरा खेलता है. I don't know. He can be a liability, but he's also an amazing player.
But he's also got a lot of crossing sense because when Ronaldo was there in Real Madrid, he used to just give the balls into
Yeah, he's
penalty area.
amazing. Dribbling wise, also he's amazing. So I think it's
He can also make sensible runs also.
yes.
मतलब
But
अच्छा प्लेयर है वो, ऐसा
काफी
बुरा
अच्छा
नहीं है वो.
नहीं काफी अच्छा प्लेयर है यार काफी अच्छा प्लेयर है
बहुत ही अच्छा है.
I mean but I think recently his performance has been not that great not that great
Injuries.
or Nacho will be reliable as usual I mean he won't be as much of a threat I think going forward but yeah he will be reliable in the defense
खेल सकता है. Varane is back, ना?
Varane is back Varane will play
Varane at the center back, like Varane,
Militao
Nacho. Varane या Nacho या फिर Militao.
yeah Nacho will play on the left ना अभी कोई है नहीं वहाँ लेफ्ट में
अच्छा कोई नहीं है क्या अभी left? Marcelo?
Marcelo is no, he can't play like this kind of matches now. I mean, he is great, undoubtedly, but now it's no, he's too
Age,
old.
bro, age.
Yeah, age catch up with everyone. So the front three will be Benzema and Asensio. I think will play
Asensio, क्या पता.
right side match.
Vinicius? Hazard, bro, Hazard.
Yeah, that is the question. Whether Vinicius was the prodigal son, Hazard will play once a blue. Now, will he give Chelsea the blues?
Blues.
I don't know.
I think 4-3-3 खेलेंगे वो.
I think Vinicius will play. Hazard will come probably like as a sub.
वो अभी वो लास्ट मैच ला लीगा में 13 मिनट्स खेला था, सिर्फ 13 मिनट खेला, and he
Exactly.
was and he was the player who created most of the chances of that
But
game
like
just in 13 minutes.
start नहीं करा सकते ना because he's just come back like such an injury and then like throw him like I think he will come from the bench.
उसको बोला भी है ना डॉक्टर ने, like if you play again या if you sustain one more injury then your career might get over.
Wow. No man, we don't want to see that. He should probably
yeah.
go back to like Chelsea.
Hazard के साथ नहीं हो सकता यार ऐसा, मतलब Hazard is
We are
class.
waiting for Euros.
Seriously, dude. I want Belgium to win this year.
Really?
Yeah.
I want England to win. Like too many city players there. But yeah, Belgium also has Kevin. But yeah,
Kevin De Bruyne.
yeah, but I want Phil Foden to shine now. But yeah, maybe because it will be Kevin De Bruyne's last kind of Euros. So
Last इतने जल्दी.
yeah, 4 साल में होते हैं ना. I mean, he's already 29, 30. So like at the prime, I think it will be his last.
He is at the prime. Yeah. Okay. In that sense, yeah.
So I think probably if he wins, I will be happy as well. But yeah,
Portugal भी है bro. Portugal भी है.
Portugal तो मेरी favorite like मेरी favorite for the title. I mean, they are my favorites.
क्या squad है उनका?
Definitely. But they can actually underperform big time. I have a feeling.
कैसे?
I don't know. I mean, I've been seeing them like for the past few matches, and they have an unbelievable squad, no doubt. But I feel I don't know. It's just a what do you call? एक है ऐसा पता नहीं है एक instinct type का कि like they might underperform big time. I don't know.
चलो कुछ पता नहीं, वो भी कर लेंगे बाद में cover up सब कुछ.
Of course.
So let's move
Can't
to
wait for Euros.
definitely. So let's move back to Real Madrid's front three.
Benzema for me, Benzema,
Center.
Asensio, and Vinicius. Vinicius. What is his name? Vinicius.
Vinicius. For me, the front three would be Hazard on the left if he starts. Otherwise, Vinicius and Benzema in the center. Right side, I don't know. Asensio, maybe Rodrigo.
Rodrigo has been playing for.
अरे ये बाहर है फेडरिको वाल्वेर्डे पता है ना
हाँ injury I think नहीं COVID
तो they also COVID and for midfield if someone like who will replace Cruz, Modric or Casemiro if someone is out I think Isco
is there and
Isco
they have one or two players like the name I can't like but yeah they have Isco and there is some guy yeah
Antonio Blanco, Sergio Arribas
youngsters probably I don't know
yeah
but they won't be replacing them that is
definitely I think this season Real Madrid have kept their squad very optimized मतलब
Zidane likes to do that I think
yeah बेल को भेज दिया वहां पे
Bale, Reguilon, Odegaard, everyone go away.
सबको भेज दिया I want a optimized squad
Yeah.
सेमीफाइनल में लेके भी आया
and probably La Liga is again wide open thanks to Atletico Madrid who probably might be bigger bottle job than Spurs.
But I don't want Barca to win, to be honest. Barca are getting closer.
Messi is there. I have no problem. I don't like Real that much. I don't have anything with Atletico. So if Messi wins, I will be happy.
Even I will be happy if Messi wins, but some of the Messi fans will be like, "Kya? Kidhar hai Ronaldo? Kya hua Real Madrid ka? Kya hua?" I don't want that.
Yeah, it's so funny that even then there will be like questions like he's just doing in La Liga stupid arguments basically because it's not easy to do that even in just La Liga. I mean they have Real and Atletico and Sevilla, such good teams. And Villarreal can really show.
Villarreal has also got a lot of great players, huh? Like Pau Torres, suna hai naam defender hai.
Who?
Pau Torres.
Yeah, Pau Torres. Yeah. Oh, he is. No, Pau Torres is someone else.
He's so good with the ball. Matlab, he controls the defense proper. He's that good with the ball. Like he can also fit into your system, I guess. City wala.
But we need a 6 predominantly.
Number 6.
We have 10. We have 8. We need a 6.
6 चाहिए तुम्हें, yeah.
So let's do
SWOT. Yes.
Let's do that quickly now. So
yes.
You do.
Let's start with Chelsea.
Yes. What do you think? Strength.
Chelsea's strength is their midfield. N'Golo Kante. Jorginho. Mason Mount, because he's in form right now. He's in really good form. Mason Mount, Jorginho ठीक है, I won't say anything about him. Kante तो मतलब he should be there. Kante and Mason Mount, I think, are their strengths. And moving to front line, Werner, if he plays well, then definitely he's a good strength. And I think Howard ठीक खेल रहा है ऐसा मतलब खास नहीं खेल रहा.
He's gained a bit of like confidence and form.
हाँ, Reece James भी अच्छा खेल रहा है this season. He's just मतलब
so
he can be additional.
You think like the strength is how are they going to score goals? Or are they going to score goals?
Possibly Ramos नहीं है ना. Ramos नहीं है,
but they have not been scoring goals as well. They have been like very poor in front of goals.
I think
their strength is their defense. They have not been conceding goals at all.
Defense तो है, no doubt.
Like even in league and even in Champions League, their defense is amazing. Like
keeper is also
were
ठीक अच्छा
fantastic. Like, they played against Porto. They in the group stages. I think they scored only like conceded like just 1 or 2 goals. In the group in the round of 16, they played against Porto. The first leg they did not concede. The second leg they only conceded one. And the
नहीं 2 खाए थे. Second leg they lost ना 2-1 हार गए थे Stamford Bridge पे.
no,
या 1-0 या 2-1 ऐसे कुछ तो हार गए थे वो चेल्सी
no,
Stamford Bridge पे.
नहीं हारे नहीं थे.
हाँ हारे थे.
No, I don't think so. Check. I don't know. No.
Chelsea lost 1-0 at home.
1-0 they lost.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
They
तो
won. They were through because of aggregate or something.
okay. Then I mean still when they played against Atletico, they were like so good defensively. So I think their strength is in their defense, and even their defense like contributes towards scoring. So I think that's great strength to have. And their weakness is definitely their attack. No two cons about that. They have not been scoring goals. मतलब यार probably अगर अभी वरना थोड़ा सा फॉर्म में आ गया. I mean last match he scored. अगर वरना I mean even if there is a खाली goal ना, then I think Chelsea fans would not bet anything like for Werner to score. No, he has been so poor like in front of goals. Even for us, like Sterling and Jesus is the same, and like I mean, a lot of people have like lost their touch in front of goal. I don't know what has happened. Like I mean,
मेरे लिए weakness Chelsea का उनका central line है. If Thiago Silva plays and he is taken badly or harshly on pace, then it's done.
Yes,
क्योंकि
because Real has
वो
man.
मतलब just imagine कि Hazard बॉल लेके भाग रहा है या फिर Vinicius बॉल लेके भाग रहा है and he's just on his own pace, so कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा Thiago Silva, to be honest.
Thiago Silva, I think Reece James will be a better match for Vinicius than Trent. I think so. I think he will. I mean, in Azpilicueta is like a seasoned defender, so मुझे नहीं लगता. I think they will be as exposed as Liverpool were, like because they won't also go for like attack like Liverpool does. So I think they will be pretty much secure like defensively.
But Real have great players to open Chelsea.
Yeah, they have.
Kroos, Modric.
They have. So what about opportunity?
Real opportunities for Chelsea?
For Chelsea, I think it will be. I think
Chelsea's opportunities will be.
I think set pieces. I think set pieces will be a place to look for them. Like set pieces opportunities. I think it will be the biggest opportunities. And threats, I think they will have from the Chilwell side. Definitely from the Chilwell side.
Chilwell side, like Real's right side.
Yeah. Oh, I'm totally gone. Wait. So
yeah. So we'll quickly move to Real Madrid now. SWOT analysis.
Yeah.
So I'll start with the strengths. Strength is their attack.
They're mid actually.
Mid is irreplaceable, I know, but
a classy mid, man.
Yeah, that is actually the triumvirate of Real Madrid.
Yeah, so
they're irreplaceable. उनको कोई मतलब.
If you can match their mid, I think you will be able to.
The game is yours. The game is yours. If you match their midfield.
So I think
wait, like attack and midfield.
Yeah.
Super.
And what is that? Weakness.
I'll say अभी के लिए तो उनका weakness is their left back. Left back is missing.
But if Marcelo, Nacho is good.
Hey, Nacho ठीक है, like, but what if they want to attack from the left flank?
Yeah. True. Yeah. I think he won't be able to like supply a lot of attacking prowess as much as Mendy did. And opportunities, I think that will come from like the balls, like from Kroos, like even the through balls, even
like Kroos will also provide with the aerial balls as well, and Modric.
They are also very decent from set pieces as well.
Exactly. Modric can also dance. Modric can also dance in the middle. Like बहुत लोगों को मतलब नचाने वाला है.
और थ्रेट उनके लिए फिर वही होगा. आई थिंक थ्रेट उनका होगा कि उनके अगेंस्ट वाला है कैसे, लाइक
थ्रेट आई गेस उनके अगेंस्ट हो सकता है.
ओके उनके अगेंस्ट तो आई थिंक वही हमने बात कर ली लाइक आई थिंक लेफ्ट साइड से आई थिंक देख नो थ्रेट अगर आई थिंक सेट पीसेस से वो भी गोल खा सकते हैं आई डोंट आई एम नॉट I've never been a fan of Courtois. I think if like if yeah if like they really take the game and try to shoot lots of balls, I think he will like he will get exposed. I think Courtois. So I think
But I think Chelsea's main क्या बोलते हैं उनके लिए advantages Sergio Ramos is missing, bro. Like it's like for these matches Sergio Ramos is very crucial.
true.
मतलब he's a true leader.
I mean, even last year when they lost against us, I think Ramos was a big miss for
हाँ
the
यार
second leg.
मतलब they lost against this thing ना Manchester City.
Ramos was a big miss.
हाँ यार and even this semi-final also Ramos is not playing. मतलब
I
Chelsea के लिए वो एक advantage लग रहा है मुझे.
Ramos, Verratti, all these players are like they're such liabilities, man. Even like they're class, but like most of the time they're not available.
Ramos, yeah, cool. So we have to end here
So,
right now. What's
so
your prediction?
yeah. Where is the match?
उनके वो Real के practice ground पे practice ground पे actually.
No, man, that is decent ground.
Alfred Di Stefano Stadium.
Yeah, there's academy ground. Like when it's night time, it's beautiful. जब वो ऊपर से होता है ना, starry nights and so I think Real will win.
I think
1-0.
1-0.
Hmm.
I'll go with a draw 2-2.
Oh, Chelsea with a
2-2.
advantage. Okay.
Chelsea with advantage. I'll go with a draw.
Okay. And I think for Real, definitely Benzema will score 1-0.
Okay. I think Chelsea, Olivier Giroud coming off the bench and starting in.
That's a lot of prediction.
Chalo, so we have to end here right now.
Okay.
So guys, please subscribe, stay tuned, comment, and like the video. Thank you.
Thank you.
Footy Podcast.